All too often I hear people tell me that their artistic skills or lack thereof is really hindering their ability to create their own video game. Well, I'm here to show you today that no matter what your artistic skill level, whether or not you've never picked up a pencil in your entire life, or you're a wizard with a graphics tablet, you can start making your own game today. To do this, I've put together a very simple prototype with, quite frankly, some god-awful graphics to show you that as long as you have an idea for a game, then you can start making it right now with little to no graphics whatsoever. But before we get started, if you want to see more game development content like this in the future, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the little notification bell. That way you'll be notified as soon as I upload new content. With that being said, let's roll the time lapse. As you saw from that clip, graphics should never be a barrier to creating your own video game. The most important thing that you can do when starting a game is to focus on the core gameplay mechanics. In this one, it was farting to jump. There's a massive amount of free prototype graphics out there that you can use when creating your own game if you feel the need to put artwork in there at the very start. A great example of this is Kenny's assets, which I'll link in the description below. You can even use a technique known as whiteboxing, which is where you use simple primitives to block out your level before you have any graphical assets whatsoever. So I'm challenging you to go out and create a game right now with little to no graphical assets whatsoever. I want you to leave a comment down below and let me know what it is you're working on. And head over to the Discord as well and share an image or a video with me. So that's all for today's video, guys. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.